Hey y'all, welcome back to Just a Little Kick, where I teach you how to make easy homemade recipes for you and your family. Today, I've got a special treat for you. We are gonna be making some Crockpot hot chocolate. Super easy. We're literally just gonna dump all of them in here and let it go. This would be perfect for a family gathering, if you're having people over for Thanksgiving or Christmas morning or whatever, or if you're like me and you have a bunch of kids, perfect. Let's get into it. Okay, like I said, we're gonna dump everything into this crock pot. So we need, I mixed 1/4 cup of Hershey's dark chocolate cocoa powder and 1/4 cup of powdered sugar in here. So that's the first thing. Put that in. Then we're gonna use 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. This is gonna make it sweet and thick and yummy. You need 1 bag of chocolate chips. I am using the Ghirardelli brand semi-sweet. We need 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. All right. And then you're gonna need 6 cups of whole milk. A splash of vanilla extract. Whoop, okay, that was more than a splash, but you get the drift. And then my secret ingredient is a little bit of coffee creamer. This is one of my favorite flavors. You can use whatever flavor you like. And of course it's not necessary, but we're being extra, so might as well do it, right? And I'm just gonna put a little splash in there. Okay. We're gonna stir it. So it's all done, it's on warm. So we're going to, we're gonna throw the marshmallows on top and just kind of let them get nice and warm, and this will be ready to go.
Can you open it?
Let's put that top back on. Just for the purposes of the video, because I want these marshmallows to kind of like melt down faster, I'm gonna put it on high real fast. There we go. All right, our hot chocolate is ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and fill my cup up here. Ooh, those marshmallows are nice and melted. And of course, I'm gonna add some more marshmallows to the top because that's just what I do. Ooh. All right, so my whipped cream, I guess, is almost empty. Just a little cinnamon that I'm gonna sprinkle on top of there, just because it looks so pretty. I'm gonna add a few more marshmallows. Add a pretty cinnamon stick. Ooh. Time to do the taste testing. Bon appetit. Ooh, it's so hot. It's so good. Okay, listen. You have got to make this. It's so thick and rich and creamy, okay? Share my video with somebody else who also needs to know how to make this Crockpot hot chocolate. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And then I will see you guys back here soon for more videos.